Welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is a nice chicken dish. I've got some chicken thighs all thawed out. I've got some asparagus, carrots, potatoes, lemon, garlic, mint, smell that, and tarragon, olive oil, mayonnaise and some broccoli. So what I'll do, I'll get started and I'll just crack on really and show you as I go along. So see you soon. So we're going to put this dish of goodness in the oven for about 35 minutes on about 150 degrees, something like that, and we'll keep an eye on it. I'll pull it out after that to sort of like steam them all first, and then we'll crack on with the next bit. So see you soon. Olive oil, just put that over there. Just get these, just trim off any excess skin. Slices in the top of the skin. favourite Aromat. Really good seasoning. So we let those sit in there until we're ready to pull out the dish in the oven, and then we'll add these. So see you soon. In the oven for a little while and put the foil on and let them cook away, and then bring them back out and then take the foil off and then add them to the other dish and let it all cook together. So we'll put this in now. Okay, let's see what's going on. Tarragon. Well, asparagus smells lovely. What I want to do is try and get some of this broccoli down there so it doesn't burn. Splash of olive oil over the top. Another splash of lemon over the top. What we'll do is get our, still see that? Yep. Get our chicken, see what's going on with that. Get our chicken. Put this on top of this. And we'll get this back in the oven without the foil on. Let all this crisp up nicely. We'll just keep an eye on it, and it smells absolutely lovely. So we'll see you soon. Cat bowl. Okay, so there we go. We've got our potatoes and carrots and the asparagus done in the dish with garlic, lemon and tarragon, olive oil. with the broccoli. Basically, well, it's supposed to be all cooked in one dish, but problem is I used 3 different recipes, and obviously cooking it all together didn't work. So I ended up taking out the chicken and the broccoli and the asparagus, cooking the chicken separately, and then letting the potatoes and the carrots cook a bit more and the chicken on its own, and then brought it all together. So we've got a bit of mayo with some mint in it as a little dip, little side relishy dip, whatever you want to call it. A chicken done with tarragon, with obviously the garlic, and potatoes with the garlic and the carrots, and obviously the broccoli. So, it smells lovely. I'm starving. I'm going to go and eat it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see what we can come up with next. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.